In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0003. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0003 mean? Error code P0003 refers to a problem in the fuel pressure control valve actuator circuit. Specifically, this code indicates a low signal or a performance problem in the actuator circuit that regulates fuel pressure within the fuel injection system. This actuator is critical in ensuring the engine receives the proper amount of fuel at the correct pressure, which in turn allows for optimal engine performance. A failure in this system can affect engine efficiency and cause performance issues. The appearance of code P0003 may be related to poor engine performance, such as a loss of power, increased fuel consumption, or high emissions. Therefore, it is crucial to diagnose and correct this problem to ensure efficient vehicle operation. What are the symptoms of fault P0003? Loss of power when accelerating, difficulty starting the engine, lack of throttle response, increased fuel consumption, high pollutant emissions, transmission misfires during gear shifting. Important, the solution for this DDC varies by vehicle. If you want a custom DDC repair manual for your make, model, and year, order it here. I've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment. What causes DDC code P0003? Faulty fuel pressure actuator, short or disconnection in the actuator circuit, leaks in the fuel system, fuel pump problems, faulty fuel pressure sensor, engine control module, ECM, malfunction. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0003? Replace the fuel pressure actuator if it is determined to be faulty. Check and repair any loose electrical connections or shorts in the actuator circuit. Inspect the fuel system for leaks and repair them if necessary. Test and, if necessary, replace the fuel pump. Check the fuel pressure sensor and replace it if damaged. Perform ECM diagnostics to ensure it is not causing the problem. We will answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0003 code be driven? Yes, it is possible to drive a vehicle with a P0003 code, but long-term driving is not recommended. A fault in the fuel pressure actuator circuit can cause inefficient engine operation, resulting in increased fuel consumption and potential long-term damage. Although the vehicle can be operated, it is advisable to address this problem as soon as possible to avoid further complications and preserve the health of the engine. Which sensors are related to the P0003 fault? The P0003 code can be related to several sensors and components, including fuel pressure actuator, controls the pressure in the fuel rail. Fuel pressure sensor, monitors fuel pressure and sends information to the ECM. Engine control module, ECM processes sensor information and controls the actuator. How much would it cost to repair fault P0003? The cost of repairing fault P0003 can vary considerably depending on the underlying cause. Replacing the fuel pressure actuator can cost between $150 and $300, including labor. If the fuel pressure sensor needs to be replaced, the additional cost could be $100 to $200. If there are electrical or connectivity issues that need attention, this could increase costs by an additional $50 to $150. A professional diagnostic can help determine the exact problem and its repair cost, which is essential to avoid unnecessary expenses. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.